Hi yogis. Okay, so this is boat number 10 in our 24 days of boat countdown. So we're approaching that midway mark. Boat pose number 10 takes the last two, the broken gingerbread man and our one leg over the other boat, and kind of puts it together. So we're gonna start like we did the broken gingerbread man, but instead of the legs going into an L shape, we're gonna stretch the legs out just together away from our hips. Now, you can, if your back is challenged by this, you can keep the first part of the shape and just curl, 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 and then pause and hold. And you'll see what I mean. But you can do the little pulse, 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 and then you can just hold it, or you can do what I'm gonna do, which is stretch those legs out. And again, you just wanna make sure that you're keeping everything as stable as possible. You're hugging those abs in towards you so that you got a little bit of structure to help support your back. If it feels like your back is arching off the floor too much, definitely either put the legs down or even put just one leg down. Like you can rest one foot on the floor and just curl the upper body. You want to make sure that you're not doing things that are creating trouble for you. We want to strengthen ourselves over time. As time goes on, the more you strengthen your abs, the better these, or the easier these boat poses start to get. And I still think they're hard. So let's do it. We're gonna do a little combo of the last two. And I haven't decided on what a name for this one is, so you guys are gonna have to help me. Boat pose number 10, here we go. Okay. So again, because we're starting with the long lower boat, we're gonna lie down. We're gonna curl up with the shoulders, make a little basket for the head. We're gonna start with that one leg on top of the other. And again, you could stay right here and do this little pulse, pulse, let all the air out, pulse. Or you can do it like I'm gonna do it, the legs up. Wait, pulse, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna extend both legs out and hold that. 1, 2, 3. Bring it in, other side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Little pulses. And then extend. 1, 2, 3. Use those legs. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Extend. 1, 2, 3. Again, you can just stay here. 1, 2, 3. Hold it steady. 1, 2, 3. You want to do a bunch more rounds? Do as many rounds as you want, yogis. And then don't forget every time, or at least every few boat days, to give yourself permission to do some little movement like this, little windshield wipers. You can stretch. Oh, it feels really good. And you can certainly just take a few moments after your boat pose, maybe even 5 minutes if small children and animals will not disturb you too much. Like some animals and children are okay to join into. But just allow yourself to lie on the ground. If your low back is tricky, I've got a lot of curve right there in my low back. I will often take a rolled up quilt or a pillow off the couch, put that, or cushion off the couch, put that under my legs so that this curve is a little bit more support. That's a little more, so you can get a little shavasana, a little corpse pose, a little relaxation pose in there at the end of your boat. So yogis, because you deserve it. And stay as long as you want. Put on a nice song. Stay until the song's over. Bye, yogis. See you tomorrow.